Greetings from Drevvikens Naturistbad, Drevvikens nudist beach, as it is marked on Google Maps actually. But all the times I have been here, I have been basically all alone in this beautiful nature reserve in Stockholm. Look at that, it's absolutely beautiful indeed. So it is 24th of September 2024 and it's time for beach day number 156 of my Sweden beach adventures. Today I got here with my Scott gravel bike once again. It took me actually 11 kilometers exactly, 27 minutes it was. Fine, nice ride. And I am then yet again to explore this nudist beach here in Stockholm on the lake Drevviken that has also a nice jetty indeed. So yes, beautiful Tuesday, and September so far has been offering exquisite weather, and today it's also the same. We have 17 degrees Celsius in the air and the same temperature in the lake I have just measured. The lake is super clean and nice, as you can see. It's so beautiful and we need to make the most out of it before the winter begins. Actually, first we need to have the autumn, and we can already see the signs of autumn in the leaves. As you can see, they are starting to become yellow, orange, brownish color. So that means that very soon we will be having a autumn fairy tale that will be actually a lot more visible when I cycle through the forests, where there is obviously lots and lots of trees. So yes, this is how it looks like. I have shown you already before this beach spot on my channel. I think it was a few weeks back, but also last year as well. Yeah, that's about it. Now let's go in for a swim as well and tick off beach day number 156. I can't believe that I am almost very close to the goal, which is to beat last year's record of 200 days. So I have only 44 days left now to have it the same and plus one to top it. Let's see, we're gonna check how warm it's going to be later in the autumn and winter, but I'm no stranger to cold temperatures, so it's gonna be super awesome. Okay, now let's then prepare for the swim. I'm not really sure how deep it is here. Last time I almost touched the ground, so I will probably need to go in through the rocks. Yes, it's also fine and nice indeed. So yes, I'm continuing with my quest to show you all the nudist beach spots, both official ones and spontaneous ones on my channel, as I have figured out that those are the videos that bring me most views. So I'm gonna go with the flow, but there will be also episodes coming in from my trips in Vilnius as well. And I am tomorrow night going on another trip, so let's see if I will be able to make some beach adventures from that. More info to follow soon. Alright, then let's then kick it off and enjoy the nice swim in Lake Drevviken at Drevvikens Naturistbad. Let's go! The first dive I was met by some plants, but it was so nice. I just went dive in once again. There is a lot of plants here around, but you can also obviously swim. The water is so clean and nice, as this is a nature reserve, and everything is awesome and clean and fresh. And yeah, this is the view that I have currently. Let me show you a 360 view as well. Splendid indeed. Peaceful, beautiful nature, and a wonderful lake. This is actually one of the largest lakes in Stockholm. There is even a ice skating track, natural ice skating track on this lake that is 20 kilometers long, where I usually go for ice skating in summer. So even though I don't want the beach season to be over, I also look forward to a lot of cross-country skiing in Augusta nearby. It is also a nudist beach, and also ice skating on frozen lakes. So I have 4 frozen lakes in 5 kilometers radius from my home, and this is one of them. Not this point exactly, but the one close to Hökarengens beach. That's approximately 6 kilometers from my home actually. So yes, then with this wonderful view of Drevvikens Naturistbad in Stockholm, I'm wrapping up this episode for today on this 24th of September. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!